Ninjani? Me right? Hello, mommy. How are you? All right. What are you cooking here today? Okay. Oh my God! And those are wings. Some tasty wings. How much? Okay. It also has mince. How much is it? 40 rand. Okay. Thank you so much, mommy. Pom 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 pom. Thank you, mommy. Hello, 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 hello. How are you? Hello, how are you again? Again. Ninjani. Hello, guys. Hey guys, how are you? Thank you so much. What are you guys cooking? All right. Thank you so much. Hallelujah. Where's the number? I don't see the number. Yeah, tell us the number. No, tell us the number. Shout out the number.
066 156 5094.
Hallelujah.
Yeah.
Oi, oi. Sanubonani. Ninjani. Ni right. Hi. Ningasinceda ngani namhlanje?
Neighbors greeting neighbors, feeling restless. 21 shining in the corner, seeing the corner. We're coming together, feeling alive.
100%. What's the number?
419.
Hands in the air when the DJs.
Can you please repeat it for me?
082
Today everybody
419 7604.
Oh,
Kona WhatsApp. Email account uzayithola lapho.
100%. Thank you guys. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much, guys. I love you. What's the number again?
082 419 7604.
Hallelujah. Oh my God. You. Hello guys. What's this one called? What flavor is this?
This is hot. This is very hot.
This is hot. This is very hot.
Yeah.
And then this one?
Hot.
Okay, what's this? Chilies.
It's a chili bowl.
Chili bowl.
Yeah, Baba.
Yeah, I've tasted this. And then this one,
Also, this one is the same as this one, is just a bigger in the booklet. And this one is just
the bigger version.
yeah.
Hallelujah. And then what's the number?
The number is here on top. You can contact Sibongile.
Chili Boom guys, ayeye 0813201406. Le, I know it myself personally, it tastes great. You can call that number. Konara.
Or you can scan this
Or you can just scan here.
for details.
Oh, thank you so much.
Yeah.
Don't worry, I'll edit it. Hola. Ninjani. How are you, mommy? Are you good? What are you selling today?
Oh, I'm selling some snacks, so nice, so chilly, so nice. I'm selling some snacks, popcorn. They're so good for your body, they're so nice. Beautiful. Enjoy yourself, yeah. Some knickknacks, just buy, just come and buy, come and support.
I think, Mom Messina, you are one special lady.
Thank you.
You're
Thank
one
you.
special lady.
Thank you.
And you know what? First thing I knew you as you bought one of my products,
Yes,
and then you I think you found my number online or something like that,
yes.
and then you supported me, and then 2 minutes later we are together here.
We're together here and we support each other. We support each other here. It's so nice, it's beautiful.
Oh, thank you, mommy.
Look, I've even supported my next door neighbor with chili boom.
Hallelujah!
next door neighbor
I
chili
told
boom.
them about the chili boom.
Nice, nice. I just ate it with papa before too.
Yeah.
Oh, it's so nice.
It's a nice chili.
Support each other.
Oh, thank you, mommy. Thank you, mommy. And then if people want snacks, what number should they call?
They can call me at 082-965-9106.
You're around, mommy.
Yeah,
You
some
got the
come
freshest
buy some
popcorn.
snacks And also some clothes. Clothes
Hallelujah.
from overseas.
They must just send you their sizes and things like
Just
that.
come and I'll show you on my WhatsApp what we have. Clothes, beautiful clothes, shoes, necklaces, sunglasses. You see, I'm wearing those glasses also.
Oh,
Ah,
gorgeous.
wow. What a lady. Wow. What a lady.
Okay, thank you so much, mommy. Thank you for the support, and thank you, Guti. You know, I was so afraid Guti was gonna become a heavy rainfall, but thank you, Idlulile.
Yes.
Yeah, the sun is up again.
That's when you cannot raise.
Oh, mommy.
You must just come, guys, bring your children around here. Let
We
them
are here
come.
right now.
There is meat, there is everything.
Hallelujah.
There is some sweets here, everything that you can get, clothing.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you so much.
I'm blessed.
Ninjani. Me right? What's happening here today? What's happening here today? Okay.
Lotions, card diffusers, home diffusers,
Oh, okay.
collagen.
Also, so people don't need to. People love these products, and so they don't need to send somebody on Facebook they don't know. They can just call you,
They can just call me,
the neighbor.
the neighbor.
Thank you so much, guys. Can you see the tray? What's that? A top. Oh, it's beautiful. It's beautiful.
I want to wait.
Thank you so much. Continue. Oh, boom, 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 boom. Hello. How are you? And what do we have here today?
We have personalized craft.
Personalized craft. So now we're talking about art.
Yes, this is art.
Okay.
Everything that is sentimental, that
Yes.
is close to your heart. We have our magazine cover there,
Okay.
so you can send us a picture. We create your magazine cover. We also have personalized trays here. Standard the recycle or your name. If you want to give someone, you give us the name and we create it for you.
Oh.
We also have t-shirts here. Two types of t-shirts. We put a picture or we put a text. So you choose between the two which one you prefer. We can create it for you. We have cushions as well. You send us a picture, we put a cushion for you. We make a cushion for you, a personalized cushion for you. Okay? We also have cups here. It comes in frosted and in white.
Oh.
So we design it for you. You can send us a picture as well and a message. You can put your picture this side and a message this side. It is up to you how you want it. This is crafting. We also have our diaries, 2026 diaries. We are already ready for 2026. We personalize it, put your name and any message that you want, inspirational message. If you want to gift a person, we can do that for you.
How is that notebook inside?
It has dates inside.
Can you see it?
Yes, you can.
Please.
Okay.
Oh.
Okay, this is the type of the notebook.
Okay. This is some professional stuff. Yeah.
So we also have invitations. We do invitations and programs.
Okay.
This is the program. We also do them, and we have a stationery labels for kids. We personalize them according to the kids' preference. We can also put a kid's character here, favorite character. We can do that as well. And then we have cups here. This is adhesive vinyl cups. They are thermo display. They have thermo display
Oh my
where you
God.
can check your temperature.
Of,
They
of
hold-
whatever you're drinking.
Yes, they hold cold and hot stuff.
Okay.
So you can check the temperature. If it's green like this, it
Oh my
means the
God.
product is cold.
How much is it?
It's 150 this
Oh,
one.
la.
So
And
it
what's
is-
the number to get that?
The number, I will give you my card. I'll
No,
give you my
see the
card.
number.
066 1945 193.
Please repeat the number.
066 1945 193.
And then how much is it?
150.
And then can you see on top again?
Okay.
Hallelujah. That's so.
Uh-huh.
And then what do you do? Do you charge it or does it have a battery or what?
It has a battery. Here's the battery inside.
Hallelujah.
Yeah. And then this one, we also personalize it according to the way you want it.
Okay.
You are wearing Bafana Bafana jersey, we can
Yes.
put Bafana Bafana here. We can do a Kaiser Chiefs, you can do Pirates, or we can do a picture. We can put a picture here the way that you want it. We also have personalized glass.
Okay.
Mhm.
And then how much is that class?
This one is 60 rand.
Okay.
We can also do a whiskey glass as well, like this one. Do a whiskey glass as well. You can add your name. It is up to you.
Oh, you've got a QR code.
Yes, we also have a QR code. You just scan here and you get our number.
Just scan there.
Yes, you scan here. You get our number for price list. You can also check our catalog as well when you scan the QR code.
Hallelujah.
We have a party packs. Don't speak here. Sorry, we have party packs here. We
You're gonna leave
personalize
the
them.
best for us. Yeah.
Okay, we personalize
Oh,
it
this is so
according
beautiful.
to
This
the
is Merry
character
Christmas.
as well. Yes, because now we are
Christmas.
celebrating Christmas. We
Yeah.
did the party pack for Christmas. They come with a juice.
Okay.
See?
That's a personalized juice.
Yes, it's personalized juice.
Okay.
But if a kid loves Spider-Man, we do Spider-Man
Anything.
blue, anything. We
Anything.
design according to the kid's
Theme.
favorite. And then we do also the chocolate. If you have a wedding, you can also. Please, you don't need to edit this one. Okay, if you have a wedding, you can also get your personalized chocolates to thank your guests. You can do them like this with your theme as well. You can put them with your theme. We can create that for you to thank your guests as well. And we have our cup here. Okay, let me talk about this one. It's a gift keychain. So you can personalize it. This is my father. He passed away 2002 on the 8th of October. So it's a memory that I will keep forever.
Yeah.
It doesn't fade. And I also have this cup. If you go to church or if you go to your groovers, I can put your picture here. Or you can give to Mama Emlanjeni or Ugogo.
And then how
who
much
goes
is that
to church. It's
cup?
250.
250.
250. You can put an emblem of any church or anything that you need. You send a picture here,
Anything.
and the emblem of the church. We put it here. Yes. And we also have a neon coating here machine where we put our screensavers. When we coat your screensaver, I mean your phone, when your phone falls, it doesn't crack. Your screen doesn't crack.
Okay, please explain that again.
Okay, we coat your phone here, ne? We put a screensaver. It's like a rubber, like it's coated, ne? Then when your phone fell,
Yeah.
it doesn't crack.
How?
Screen safe.
Serious?
Your screen, yes. It says that it's
Like my phone.
yes, like your phone. And it's 150, only 150.
150.
For a lifetime, yes.
So if somebody needs that, what number should they call?
066 1945 193.
Poo 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 poo. I love you guys. Oh my God, what's happening here? Hello.
Hello, how are you?
Hey, where am I? In Sentin?
You're in Sentin.
I think I'm in Sentin now.
We brought
What's
Sentin
happening
for
here?
you, thank you.
Oh my
We
God.
have iBotic. We have elegant bags, accessories, shoes. You know, we are all about elegance, but we don't believe in breaking your bank. All this that we have brought to Whitburn from Sentin, you can find it at a very reasonable price. Our prices are so reasonable. They are starting from only 280. Imagine this beauty at that amount. So yeah, we are iBotic. We are based in Cliffontein, opposite Quick Spa and Tops. So that's where you can find us. Our contact number is 0722 156 292. 0722 156 292. We are iBotic. We have brought luxury to Whitburn.
Oh.
That's about us.
Oh.
Nothing complicated, but something so elegant, exquisite. Because we love our city, we want to be able to afford something here on the table. So this, we have marked them down to only 70, guys. 7. These
70
are
rands.
70 rands.
All right.
I mean, yes.
Hi.
Yeah.
Yeah. Manje mabafunela mspecs pane bafune ip number
0722 156 292.